Your living water flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. All my cares and burdens onto you I roll. I'm gonna sing to my Father, 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 Father. He is the Holy Spirit, 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 Spirit. Now, Holy Spirit, and take control. Hold me in your loving arms and make me whole. Drive away all doubt and fear and take my pride. Draw me to your love and keep me by your side. Jesus, I'm gonna sing to my Father.